And the Paycheck Protection Program is facing the threat of running out of funding for the second time, leaving many business owners on edge if they have not yet been approved for a loan. One America's Greta speaks with the owners of a small Irish pub in Houston, Texas, about their experience with the program.
Small business owners across the U.S. have been hit hard by the coronavirus outbreak, with states enacting stay-at-home orders and forcing them to close their doors. The federal government has stepped in to help those owners, creating the Paycheck Protection Program to provide loans under the Small Business Administration. One business that applied for and received that funding is Pimlico Irish Pub in Houston, Texas. Kevin and Tracy McElroy own Pimlico and were forced to shut down business after the CDC released recommendations against any gatherings of 10 or more people on March 15th. Those recommendations came just before what's normally Pimlico's busiest day of the year, St. Patrick's Day. The pub held their final event on March 14th and has been closed ever since. The Paycheck Protection Program was established under the CARES Act and signed into law by President Trump on March 27th. The McElroys applied for a loan as soon as their bank, Chase, began accepting applications. But they never heard anything back from Chase before the program ran out of money on April 16th. As Congress scrambled to refund the program, the McElroys and many other small business owners were in limbo, waiting for their applications to be processed. Many large banks, including Chase, have been accused of prioritizing larger loans over smaller ones instead of following the first-come, first-served process the government had intended. When the second round of funding became available, Chase approved their application, and Pimlico got their money quickly.
We submitted our application within minutes of our bank allowing people to submit their applications. Once the SBA approved our loan, we had the money in the bank in less than 24 hours.
The Paycheck Protection Program allows small business loans to be transitioned into grants and forgiven as long as a business uses that money for expenses like payroll and rent within 8 weeks. Many owners, though, have said those restrictions will limit how beneficial the money is for their business.
It will have some limit, some of a limit to the benefit that we'll have. However, we're so thankful to have that money. We set up an emergency fund for our employees. All of our employees will be coming back to work. We will be able to use the money as we're looking forward to opening up our doors and allowing business to start again.
Texas Governor Greg Abbott has begun the process of lifting restrictions in the state, but has not provided guidance on when pubs like Pimlico will be able to open their doors. The McElroys say they will have to make notable changes when that happens.
We have a very small pub, so the changes will be noticeable. We will have to honor the social distancing guidelines. We will have to limit the percentage of clientele that we have in the bar each day. However, also we have a lot of businesses around us, and a lot of our business does come from those business private entities. So we're hoping that everybody goes back to where we're allowed to open, because a lot of our income is from our awesome customers that work near us.
The Paycheck Protection Program is now facing the possibility of running out of money again, with many small business owners still yet to receive any help. The owners of Pimlico say they're grateful they've been able to keep their small family-run business afloat during this unprecedented time. Greta, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube, and call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.